How to change YouTube account's profile picture. What's up everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily change your profile picture on your YouTube account. For that you will have to change your Google account's profile picture because your YouTube is linked with your Gmail. But before we do that, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. On that note, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open your YouTube app and make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to change your profile picture of. Just tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, and from here you can view your channel. And right beside your channel analytics, you will see this little pencil icon that allows you to edit your profile. So just tap on it and it will take you to your channel settings. Now here it will have all of your name, your handle, your URL, and everything else. So you just have to tap on your profile picture right here. And once you do that, here you have two options. You can directly open your camera and take a picture, or select a picture from your phone's gallery. Or you can also choose picture from your Google Photos as well. So if you swipe here, it will access your Google Photos and then you can select it from there. I'm going to choose from my gallery, so just tap on gallery. And once your gallery is open, you can just choose the profile picture that you want to set and adjust it according to your need. And then at the bottom you will see an option to save its profile picture, so just tap on it and it will take a while, and then you should be able to see the new picture as your profile picture. As you can see, new profile photo has successfully been updated. If you found the video helpful, hit the like and subscribe.